Alright guys, I'm making a video of my 52-inch Breeze Centreville ceiling fan in my bedroom. I already made a video of my parents' Breeze Centreville. Now I'm making a video of mine. This one, we put this one up last night. I already uploaded a video of the Littleton being taken down. If you want to see that, just go check it out. Anyways, back to this one. This one moves a lot of air. It's very quiet. I love it. I just love it. It's perfect for this room, to be honest. Anyways, we'll demonstrate the fan now, starting with the light. It works. It's got 4 60-watt equivalent LED bulbs, which are very, very bright. So definitely lights up this room very nicely. Turn that off. Now for the fan, I'm going to start off with low. Sorry, it's not quite focusing. There we go. As you can see, the Littleton used to be installed there. We took it down and just covered up the hole with a ceiling plate that we got from Lowe's. And before, the Littleton was a universal hugger, like the one that used to be downstairs in my sister's room. It was in polished brass. It was a hugger with 3 lights and 5 stencil blades. I'll show you a picture of it later. But for now, I'm videotaping this one. So this is low. Pretty nice. It has a nice low. You can even feel a slight breeze on low, which is pretty impressive. Alright. Medium now. I used it last night. I slept with it on last night because it moves a lot of air, so it's definitely needed. This one's quiet. This one doesn't hum or wobble. The one in my parents' room hums and wobbles a bit, but this one is perfect. Alright. Now for high. And no, we did not put the pull chain extensions on. I still have them. They're in a drawer over here. I'll quickly show you guys them. So here are the pull chain extensions. This one moves a lot of air. This one's pretty powerful, so definitely going to be a good fan for the summertime. Even though summer's over already and we're going to have to wait, but I'm probably going to use it on updraft for the winter. I might do that. Here's it with the light. Moves a lot of air and I really like it. I like it a lot. And it stays out of the way of the door. You can swing the door as far open as you want to, and the blades will not hit it. So that's exactly what we wanted. I'm not exactly sure what this is here. I don't know if this is a bracket of some sort, but yeah. Alright, we'll power it down. Anyways, that is my 52-inch Breeze Centreville ceiling fan from Lowe's in my bedroom. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep watching, and as always, there'll be lots more to come.